Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Walk English. This is where we make learning English simple and enjoyable. I'm Bella.
Hi, Bella, and hello to everyone listening in. It feels fantastic to be here again today.
It's wonderful to have you back, Jimmy. How have you been?
I'm feeling absolutely wonderful, thanks. Just very happy and feeling quite relaxed.
Ooh, relaxed. That's a lovely word. You definitely look like you're feeling relaxed.
Thanks. I just had a really nice week. What about yourself? How did your week go?
My week was fine. It was definitely busy, quite a bit of work, but I'm really glad it's time for the podcast.
Same here. I always enjoy chatting with you and with everyone listening.
And for today, we've got a really enjoyable topic. It's something I think everybody loves.
Ooh, an enjoyable topic. I'm prepared. What are we discussing?
Today, we are going to be discussing vacations.
Vacations. Ah, yes, that certainly is an enjoyable topic.
Yes, we're going to work on how to speak about a vacation in English, like how to form the questions and how to give the answers.
That's incredibly useful. Chatting about positive things like a trip is a fantastic method for practicing English.
Precisely. But just before we dive into vacations, we've got one small favor to ask of everyone.
Yes, we do. If you're listening right now and you enjoy our podcast, please just take a single second to tap that like button.
Yes, a big thumbs up. It genuinely helps our channel expand. And please, subscribe to Talk Walk English. When you subscribe, you'll never miss any of our new episodes.
And if you happen to have a friend who is also learning English, please share this podcast with them.
Yes, thank you so much. Your support is amazing.
Okay, Bella, I am ready. Let's get into vacations.
All right. So, Jimmy, you mentioned you're feeling very relaxed.
Yes, that's right.
And you weren't actually here last week.
That is correct. I was away.
Where exactly were you, Jimmy?
I was on vacation.
Aha! I had a feeling. That is just wonderful, Jimmy. A vacation.
Yes, it was so good to get a break from work.
I'm really happy for you. So, we have to ask, where did you end up going?
I went to the beach.
The beach. Oh, I adore the beach. That sounds absolutely perfect.
It really was. I love the beach as well. I just love the sound of the water, of the ocean.
Me too. Which beach did you visit?
I went to a place called Sunshine Beach.
Sunshine Beach. That's a very cheerful name.
It is, and it was extremely sunny.
Oh, wonderful. So tell us, how was the trip? Was it a good vacation?
Bella, it was fantastic. Honestly, I really did not want to come back.
Oh, no. That is always the sign of an amazing vacation.
Yes, I feel so refreshed, rested.
Rested. That is such a nice feeling. So, what activities did you do? Were you busy with many things?
No, not at all. And that was the greatest part. I didn't do very much.
Ah, a truly relaxing vacation.
Exactly. I had no schedule. I just relaxed.
That sounds ideal. So, what was your routine in the morning?
In the morning, I'd wake up, but not too early. Around 9, maybe?
9. That is a proper vacation morning.
Yes. Then I would have breakfast. A nice, unhurried breakfast. I just had coffee and some fruit.
And following breakfast?
After breakfast, I'd head down to the beach. I would walk on the sand.
Oh, a walk on the beach. Was it peaceful?
Yes, extremely quiet in the morning. Nothing but the sound of the ocean.
What was the weather like? You mentioned it was sunny.
Yes, the weather was absolutely perfect. It was sunny and warm every single day.
Wow. Every day?
Yes, no rain at all, not a single cloudy day. Just blue skies.
You are incredibly lucky.
I know. So After my walk, I would go swimming.
Swimming right in the ocean.
Yes, the water was just so blue and beautiful.
Was the water cold?
A tiny bit cold just when I first got in, but after a minute, it felt perfect.
That's the best feeling. I just love swimming in the ocean.
Me too. I just floated. I would just float there in the water and stare up at the blue sky.
Jimmy, you are really making me want to go on vacation.
Sorry, it was just that good.
So you walked, you swam. What else? Did you do any reading?
Yes, I brought a book with me. I sat on a chair right at the beach and I read my book.
That is my absolute favorite thing to do. Reading at the beach is just the best.
It really is. It was just so peaceful.
How long were you there at the beach?
I was there for 1 full week, 7 days.
1 week. That is a really good length of time.
Yes, it wasn't too short and it wasn't too long. It was just right.
And who did you go with? Did you take your family?
Yes, I went with my wife and our 2 children.
Oh, a family vacation. That is so special.
It was. The kids absolutely loved the beach.
Oh, I'm certain they did. What did they get up to?
They just played in the sand all day long.
Did they build any sandcastles?
Oh, yes. Huge, huge sandcastles. They used their buckets and shovels. They were kept very busy.
That is so adorable.
And they found shells, those little white and pink things you find in the sand?
Shells? Yes. Did they collect them?
Yes, we now have a bag completely full of shells at home.
That is a wonderful souvenir, a nice memory from the trip.
Exactly. They were just so happy.
It sounds like the whole family was happy.
Yes, and in the afternoon, every day, we all took a nap.
A nap. You slept in the afternoon.
Yes, a vacation nap. It's the best kind.
Oh, definitely. The beach always makes you feel sleepy, that good kind of sleepy.
That's right. So we all slept for about an hour. It was so quiet.
This is sounding like the perfect vacation, Jimmy.
It was very close to it. And the food, Bella. The food.
Oh, the food. Tell me all about the food. What did you eat?
We ate a lot of seafood, lots of fish.
Fresh fish right from the ocean.
Yes, it was so delicious. We went to these little restaurants right by the beach.
So you didn't do any cooking?
No cooking at all.
No cooking while on vacation.
That is a very important rule.
Yes.
So for dinner, we would have fish and rice and salad. Very simple, but just so good.
And what about lunch?
For lunch, we just had sandwiches. Kept it easy.
Good idea. And I have to ask, what about dessert?
Ah, yes, dessert. Every single night, the children wanted one specific thing.
Let me guess. Ice cream.
Yes, ice cream.
Of course, you have to have ice cream when you're at the beach.
That is exactly what my son said. So every night we would walk to a little ice cream shop.
What flavor did you get?
I love chocolate ice cream.
A classic. A very good choice.
And my wife likes vanilla. And the kids, they tried everything.
Strawberry.
Mango, cookies.
That is the sound of a very happy family.
It really was. It was just a simple, happy week.
I am so glad you had that time, Jimmy. That is just so important.
Thank you, Bella. It was definitely much needed. I feel ready to be back at work.
That is great to hear.
So that was my vacation. What about you, Bella? Do you have a vacation planned anytime soon?
Yes, I do. I have a vacation coming up next month.
Oh, wonderful. Next month. Where are you headed?
I am going to the mountains.
The mountains. Oh, that's very different from the beach.
Yes, no sand and no ocean.
I like the mountains as well. They are just so quiet and beautiful.
Yes, that's the reason I'm going. I want to see all the big green trees and the mountains.
And what are you going to do there? Are you going to relax like I did?
I will relax, but I am also planning to go hiking.
Hiking? You mean walking up in the mountains?
Yes, I love going for long walks through the forest. It feels so fresh and clean.
That is fantastic exercise. And the air is so nice up there.
Yes, and I want to see animals. Maybe some birds?
Oh, lovely. And who are you going with?
I am going with two of my good friends.
Ah, a trip with friends. That is always so much fun.
Yes, we are all very excited.
So, where are you going to stay? In a hotel?
No, we rented a small house, a cabin.
A cabin? A little house in the forest?
Yes, it's made of wood and it has a big fireplace.
Oh, that sounds so cozy, so nice and warm.
I hope so. It is colder up in the mountains. I'll need to bring a warm jacket.
Yes, and warm socks.
Yes, good idea. Warm socks.
And will you be going out to restaurants?
No, we are planning to cook. The cabin has a small kitchen.
Oh, that's fun. What are you gonna cook?
I think we're going to make pasta. Pasta is easy and perfect for a big group.
I love pasta.
And because it's going to be cold, we will make hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate in the mountains. Bella, that is a perfect plan.
I think so. We'll go hiking during the day, and at night, we will sit by the fire and drink hot chocolate.
And talk with your friends.
Yes, and play card games. It will be simple, just like your vacation.
That sounds wonderful, Bella. I really hope you have the best time.
Thank you, Jimmy. I'm counting down the days.
So, it's clear we both love vacations.
Yes, everybody loves vacations.
And it's a fantastic topic for practicing English.
It is. Let's go over some of the simple words we used.
Good idea. The most important word is vacation. Sometimes people also say trip.
Yes, I am on vacation or I am on a trip.
And to ask a question, you can say, where did you go?
Where did you go? And the answer is, I went to
I went to the beach.
the mountains.
Or I went to London.
I went to Tokyo.
Yes. And you can ask, how was it?
How was it?
That just means, was it good or was it bad? And you can answer, it was wonderful.
It was great. It was fantastic.
Or it was relaxing.
Or maybe it was terrible?
Oh no, I hope not.
No, let's just hope it's always good.
And a very good question is, what did you do?
Yes, what did you do? And you can say,
I went swimming. I walked. I relaxed.
I ate delicious food. I read a book. I slept.
You see, all very simple and useful words.
It's a really fun conversation to have with a friend or maybe someone at work.
Yes, you can practice asking these questions. Well, Bella, our time is almost over for today.
Oh, you're right. Time really does fly when we're talking about vacations.
It certainly does. It was so nice to share my trip with you.
And it was wonderful to hear all about your plans.
Thank you to everyone for listening to us today.
Yes, thank you very much. We truly hope this conversation was helpful for your English.
And please, if you enjoyed our chat today, don't forget to subscribe to Talk Walk English.
Yes, and please give this episode a like, that big thumbs up. It really helps other people find our podcast.
And share it with one friend who is also learning English.
And we have a question for you. We would really love to hear from you.
Yes, in the comments section below this episode, please tell us, where did you go on your last vacation?
Ooh, yes. Tell us where you went and what you did.
Or if you don't have a recent vacation, tell us, where do you want to go? What is your dream vacation?
Ooh, I love that. Your dream trip. Do you want to go to the beach, the mountains, or a big city?
We're so excited to read your answers in English.
Yes, it's great practice for you to write, and we genuinely love reading them.
It's true. Well, thank you again, everyone. We will see you next time.
Bye, Jimmy. Have a great week.
You too, Bella. Goodbye, everyone.